the voice of the rain. And who art thou? Said I, to the soft falling shower, which, strange to tell, gave me an answer, as here translated. I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. Eternal I rise, impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea. Upward to heaven rent vaguely form, although changed and yet the same. I descend to lave the drought's atomies, thus layers of the globe, and all that in them without me were only and only Latin unborn. And forever, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin, and make pure and beautify it. For songs issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, wrecked, unwrecked, duly with love returned.